wa kiganda gĩa thiti kana kiganda gĩa kiganda gĩa thimiti na kĩrĩa kĩtanyĩtwo gũkorwo gĩgĩakwo ukiri uguo murugamiriri wa mihang'o ĩno no riugite gĩikaro na gavana wa kaunti ĩno na ũrĩa ũĩkaine ta Simon Kachapin nĩ mathiĩte na mbere na kuga atĩ ũndũ ũyũ nĩ gũteithĩrĩria harĩ kũhũra kana harĩ kwarahũra biacara nyingĩ mwena ũcio gũkũ gavana ũgĩthiĩ na mbere na kũrutĩra mũkana mũceci wa kĩwatho kũrĩ andũ arĩa othe mararegana na mũtaratara ũyũ.
Not have been possible without the support of the county government of Pokot and the governor of all his assistants in all area to make sure that the project goes on. And this project at the moment we are employing about 900 Sabit children and people. But once it is completed in total we will have over 2,000 workforce will be working here, and about that we want to achieve 80% employment from the local area, from Pakoto itself, so that we can support the county government. And Pakot is, I must say once again, is one of the most beautiful and fortunate place in the country.
Taji investors kama hawa atupatie hawa mazingara bora, good environment work. Na mimi nataka niseme investors wengine waweze kufuata kama yale Bwana Guru amesema kwamba West Pokot ni county ambayo ni tulivu, ni county safi, ile unaona environment hapa ni mzuri na tunakaribisha investors kuja West Pokot. Pia ningetoa wito kwa bunge letu la Seneti kuhakikisha kwamba county zile zilibaki nyuma kama West Pokot. Pesa za equalization fund ilikuwa imaanisha kwamba counties kama hii ambayo ilibaki nyuma kutoka wakati ya ukoloni na wakati ya sisi hii serikali yetu ya Afrika waweze kupatana na wale kwa haraka.